Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will disable screen time tracking and remove limits now. First, check your OS version so settings match instructions and back up any critical data. Open Settings, then Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing. This is where usage is stored. Once there, view the top 3 apps consuming time so you know targets. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on to avoid interruptions while changing permissions. These steps establish context and protect data before you proceed to remove tracking features and app timers. Now you will remove the actual controls that record or limit screen use. Go into App Limits and toggle each limit off, then disable downtime and any scheduled slips. Next, open each high-usage app and delete its timer or reset usage data. This prevents immediate reinforcement. Also revoke background activity, location, and permission to display over other apps, because those allow persistent tracking. Once done, confirm notifications are minimized so apps can't draw you back. These actions stop both monitoring and enforced limits. To finish, restart your phone so all permission changes take effect. After reboot, open Screen Time to confirm it's off and usage cleared. If you encounter a managed profile or passcode preventing changes, use the device PIN or account recovery to remove restrictions. Contact your administrator only if necessary. Make sure to recheck app settings after updates or reinstalls because some updates restore defaults. Troubleshoot by toggling settings back briefly then off again if changes don't stick. This often forces the system to apply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.